Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain hose in a Whirlpool washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 4-inch nut driver, a pair of pliers, a pair of side cutters, flat blade screwdriver, and a plastic zip tie. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain hose. The drain hose connects the drain pump outlet to the house's drain system. If after the end of the cycle you find a water puddle on the floor behind the washer, check the drain hose for cracks and splits and replace it if needed. We're at the back of the washer, and I'm going to use the 4-inch nut driver and take out the screws so we can remove the rear access panel. And I'm going to pull off the panel. Let's tape the lid down. Now I'm going to tilt the washer forward and place it on the support. Make sure it's not sliding. And we can work from this side now. Let's place the towel inside here. Again, I have some water dripping down from the tubes when I'm going to disconnect them. Now we need to remove this clamp. I'm going to use the pliers. Squeeze it and pull it up. Slide it on the top. Then we can remove this drain hose. Be prepared, there could be some water coming out. Maybe not, because we tilt the washer forward. All right, we get lucky. Using the side cutters, I'm going to cut this zip tie and remove it. Next, I'm going to open this clamp on the drain hose. I'm using a flat blade screwdriver. We're going to pry this open. And we're going to spread it and pull the hose out. And next, I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver and I'm going to press in these tabs on the side of the drain hose, and I'm going to pull it through. Turn it and pull at the same time. And now we can slide the drain hose out. Now we need to remove this hose clamp. We're going to use it on the new hose. And pliers, squeeze it and pull it off. This is the old drain hose next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Don't forget that we need to install this hose clamp onto the new drain hose. I'm going to squeeze it with the pliers, place it on. Okay, we're going to run the new hose from inside, and then we're going to place it into this opening at the bottom of this bracket. And that's where we're going to lock. I'm going to pull it harder. And it's locked. I'm going to take it out of the way. I'm going to install this hose into this clamp. These two pins will go into these two openings. I'm going to spread it And it's going to be a little hard, but we're going to do it anyway. Okay, and we're going to lock it. Now I'm going to place these drain hose onto the pump outlet. Push it down all the way. This notch has to go over the tab here. All right, and now I'm going to use the pliers. I'm going to squeeze this hose clamp and slide it down to secure the hose. And now I'm going to install the zip tie right there. And I'm going to cut the extra with the side cutters. We can take out the towel. All right, I'm going to place the washer upright. Careful, it's still heavy, even with the new drain hose. I'm going to install the rear access panel. I've got 2 clips at the bottom. I'm going to lock over that base. Cutouts in the bottom. Match the holes. And I'm going to start securing with the 1/4-inch screws. I'm going to start with the corners. Well, now we can remove the tape. Turn on the water. Plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly and there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.